Hi everybody, this week I traveled around Thailand and I visited Phuket, Koh Phi Phi and Da Nang, and right now I'm in Bangkok. In this video I will show you how much I've spent traveling around Thailand in 1 week.
Most costs in the video are in Thai currency, which is baht. 100 baht are approximately $3 US. From Phuket airport to the pier of Phuket we paid 300 baht per person taking a taxi. We could have saved a lot of money on taxis if we used Uber, or at least by comparing Uber prices with taxi prices. One very important thing to know about Thailand is that you should always negotiate prices. Usually they will drop about 50%, unless it's a fixed rate, which was the case for the boats on the island. For the ferry from Phuket to Krabi with stop in Koh Phi Phi we paid 1000 baht each. With this price you will be able to use the ferry again to get out of Koh Phi Phi as well. At the hotel we stayed we paid around $60 a night. It wasn't the nicest hotel, but it was the one with the best price on beautiful Long Beach. From Long Beach we always had to take a boat to get to the main part of the island. That cost us about 100 baht each time, and at night there was a surcharge of 50 baht. 2 days later we took the ferry again from Koh Phi Phi to Krabi. My advice is, once you arrive in Krabi, to use Uber to get to whatever place you need to go, because there will be a lot of people approaching you and trying to get as much money out of you as they can. At least compare the prices from different taxi drivers. We stayed in a villa in Da Nang and we paid around $50 a night. The villa looked something like this. If you book early enough on Airbnb, you can get really cool places for not much money. If you want to use my Airbnb discount code, link is in the description below. The sea isn't that nice in Da Nang, so my advice would be to take a boat and go to Riley Beach, which is a small island just a few minutes away with the boat. That will cost you about 200 baht per person for both ways. For the taxi to Krabi airport, prices vary a lot. If you're more than 2 persons, you shouldn't pay more than 100 baht each. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices. As I already told you, that's a common thing in Thailand. For the flight from Krabi to Bangkok, which is a 1.5 hour flight, I paid $65. Again, if you book early enough, you will certainly save money. From Bangkok airport to the city center we paid 400 baht with the taxi. For the hotel in Bangkok, which was a 4-star hotel with a 8.5 star rating on Booking and a great location, we paid $100 a night for the room. To move around the city in Bangkok, I would definitely recommend using the metro or the SkyTrain, at least to get out of the busiest areas. From there, you could then take a taxi or Uber, because you will literally not move in Bangkok traffic, especially during rush hours. The metro is around 30 baht for one way, and the SkyTrain for the entire day is about 140 baht. If you're in Thailand, chances are you're probably gonna get a massage. A 1-hour massage is around 300 baht. If you want to visit the King's Palace and other temples, remember to wear long pants. The entry to the King's Palace was 500 baht. If you go to the King's Palace, they will try to get a lot of money from you, bringing you to a private part, trying to convince you that the boat is the shortest and cheapest way. That's not true. Once at the port, you will have to pay 1300 baht only for a 10-minute boat ride. Well-dressed locals will approach you already from the train station, and you will have the impression that they just want to help you, but in reality they profit from sending you to that private port, and they probably get commissions. Even taxi drivers or tuk-tuk drivers will give you an amazing price because they get commissions to bring you there. And again, that's gonna give you the impression they're trying to help you, while it's the complete opposite. In the end, we managed to pay just 100 baht to the King's Palace with a tuk-tuk. During our stay in Thailand, we ate out all the time. The food in Thailand is amazing. No, but seriously, the food in Thailand is really good. On average, I would say we spent around 400 baht per meal, which is about 12 US dollars. Obviously, you can save money on food if you don't eat out all the time, but eating out and going to the restaurant is pretty cheap compared to the US or Europe. A great place to get food in Bangkok is the market near the National Stadium, close to the MBK Tower. They have amazing food, it's economic, and the place is clean. Everything is freshly made. Going out at night, you should pay no more than 100 baht for a 15-minute taxi ride. Drinks were pretty expensive in Bangkok. You will spend around 120 baht for one drink. We usually went out in Khao San Road, which is known for having a lot of backpackers. It's also very touristy, but it's the place where you will see the most amount of European, I would say. This video was intended to give you a rough estimation of how much it could cost you to travel around Thailand using different means of transportation, and how much things like hotels, food, drinks, and tourist attractions cost there. These costs obviously may vary depending on the type of vacation you're gonna have. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Visit my channel for more videos about other cities. Also, if this video was useful to you, please consider supporting me on Patreon. As a patron, you can ask me questions. See you next time in another part of the world.